December is finally here, everybody, and I have been in Taos now since August, so going on 5 months here in Taos, and my time is up. I'm going to be heading home for the holidays. I just got this studio set up, and I'm not going to be here to use it. Be sure to stay tuned, and for those of you who've been watching the channel this year, I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting, and I wanted to take this opportunity to talk directly to the audience in a little bit of a different video. It's going to be a personal message here, so just stay tuned. Some housekeeping notes. First of all, if you guys want to take advantage of something that is completely free, this holiday season you can download your Gingerbread Earthship template shapes that you need to be able to build a gingerbread Earthship, so that's something fun that you can do over the holidays with your friends and family, and it is totally for free, so please go download the template and show us what you build. We'd love to see. We just got the last box from the printer, and these things have to go, so see what that says there? Only 50 copies left. We have a holiday sale going on right now at earthshipmodelkit.com. You can get the Earthship Model Kit right now for $20, normally $30. What the heck are these things doing here in my house? I already have some. Alright, so I don't really feel like I did enough convincing in the last video. If anyone needs a little push, so I actually didn't tape up the whole model last time, and that made it look a little bit, a few of the tabs, were kind of loose, and so when I flipped it over, you saw all the tabs flopping around, and
I don't recommend
awful.
it. Johnny.
A little bit, it's like preschool versus middle school, I guess you could say. So it did look a little bit sloppy, and I apologize for that. So if you needed any more convincing as to why you should pick up a model, I'm going to show you what you can do to make your model top-notch quality, really tight, and look really good. So this is the house copy of the model kit here at the Off-Grid Guru headquarters, and I just taped down all the tabs on the bottom to make this model look very clean and awesome. This sits flat on whatever surface that you put it down on. You see that? Nice and flat. Nice and flat. And you've got your little paper family in here. If you want to have the Earthship Model Kit in time to give it to someone as a gift for Christmas, then you need to get your orders in by December 15th, which is Wednesday of this coming week. So this is the last weekend that you can take advantage of this offer if you intend to use it to buy a Christmas gift and you want it to be there in time for the holidays. Don't worry, just because I'm leaving Taos and I'm not going to be here for the very final touches on the Earthship tiny house, I am lining it up so that we're going to have someone on site filming updates, and I'm going to be able to update you as the build continues. And as for me, all my memories are stored on this futuristic little device here, so I'm still going to be working on them and editing them up for you over the next few weeks. I'm still going to be posting updates, and to be honest, I have so much more footage that I would like to go through, and my vision for this channel was to share all my adventures from really all over the world, and I have many more of these. So expect some big things coming from the Off-Grid Guru next year. Everything that I wanted to release this year, I barely even scratched the surface. I still have many awesome, exciting adventures, especially in Europe, that I would like to put together and show you next year. So on New Year's this year, it'll be 1 year since the Off-Grid Guru channel was launched. Happy birthday! It's been an awesome ride, and I look forward to releasing new videos for you in 2022. Really, if you want one, take advantage of this deal, because it's not going to happen again. These ones you don't really have to tape down on the inside here. I mean, unless you want to tape them down, for the look of it. I would suggest if someone wants to have this as a shelf piece or as a presentation object, that they tape down all the tabs like this, and then you can even go ahead and put another piece of paper or have a little base that it sits on. I have this piece of sheet metal from the job, and I just slide it in there like that, and so it ensures that the model stays intact and in one piece. And I don't know if you watched the last video, but this is the last copies of the first print run. So the first edition of Earthship Model Kit that was funded on Kickstarter in 2016 and is being sold in the visitor center here at Earthship Biotecture in Taos, New Mexico. I'm planning on taking this in a different direction in the future. I have some surprises up my sleeve, but I don't want to say anything yet. All I'm going to say is I'm going to have some time off on the holidays to work on it. It might not actually exist in this form again like this way in the future, so I made them. I don't need them. Come on, order them.